Hey guys, what's up? Theo here. In this video, we're going to do part 2 of Redux with FreeCodeCamp. So this one, we're going to work on combining multiple reducers. So we can see we have this authentication reducer right here, this counter reducer. And this is nice because Redux allows us to sort of scale incrementally as opposed to putting all of our logic in one reducer, which could get a little unwieldy. So Redux provides us with this method called combine reducers. And again, as you sort of see in this code snippet right here, we can pass it basically this object with keys assigned to be whatever name we want, and the value being the reducer itself. And so this auth will have all the associated authentication reducer state, and the notes will have all the associated notes reducer state. So it just wants us to run this command reducers, and it wants us to name them appropriately. So we'll say count equals counter reducer, and auth is going to be auth reducer. Let's go ahead and run this. And forgot the comma there. Let's run that. Good to go. Okay, and now we're going to send action data to the store. All right, so finish. Let's see. What do we need to do? The action creator add no text should return an object with the keys type and text. So basically, what we want to do is take a note, and we just want to return a note here, the keys type, and it's going to be add note, and then and we'll say text is note. Cool. Let me just format that a little bit. And again, that's that would be Command A, Shift Option F. If you're on a Mac. Cool. All right. So we're dispatching this, and again, this is the action creator, which just returns us an action type, makes it more portable. And here, again, what we're going to do is we're going to return object.assign. And we can sort of go through the different methods of what it is. Remember, fresh object from the state. And what do we want to do? And again, I actually missed one part. So we want to say case add note and return object.assign state. And let's see, should update the state to the string past the action creator. And basically, I think what we want to do, we just want to update the state. Okay, so I think because it actually is a, let's see, object.assign state, I guess, I don't know, I'm kind of curious. Let's see. And we'll just say, what is going to be action.text, right? And I think it should be the action.text. Let me just try this out. Make sure this works. And but with add no text, the add no text action, should update the state to the string past. So let me just look at this in our console real quick. Inspect here, and let me just say console.log. Let's run this, see if it logs it in here. Oh, I got it. Okay, so return, I guess we could probably just return action.text. It's kind of weird that the state is just a shape like that, but yeah. Anyways, cool. Next one, use middleware to handle asynchronous actions. So far we've just seen synchronous. Write both dispatches and handle async. Dispatch requesting data before the set timeout. After you receive the data, dispatch the received data action. Okay, so let's see. Dispatch request action here. So this is kind of nice in that, again, I don't really want to get into this right now, but we can also handle asynchronous actions here with this apply middleware, which thunk is basically just almost delaying a function, so you can call it at a later time. It's a computer science term. And here we'll just dispatch type of requesting data, right? And we have 100. And then down in here, we'll say dispatch type is receive data, and we'll say users is data, right? Dot users. There we go. That should get us what we want. Let's run that. What am I missing? Dispatch data request action, then dispatch the receive data action after delay. Receive data users data dot users. Oh, sorry. We just want to do. We want to pass in receive data. Dispatch. Can I pass in data there? I think so. What am I doing wrong? Dispatch. Type receive data. Oh, that's awkward. Yeah, it's like receive data, data. What am I doing wrong? Receive data. We just want to pass in data. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, yeah, that's, jeez, what am I doing? Alright, so yeah, we gotta go through our action creator right here. Dispatch requesting data and dispatch receive data. And we want to pass in the data right there. Cool. Alright, guys, let's see what we have next. Writing a counter with Redux. So let's see, counter reducer, state of 0, right? And I'm just going to say Redux create store, and here we'll just say reducer, or sorry, we'll say counter reducer, and then again, this is just a function, and we'll just say state equals 0, and then we'll just say switch on the action.type default, and here we'll just return our state action, inc action, right? An action creator right here is and then we just want to go ahead and return here basically this object, right, with type increment, and then I think that's about all we need. We can do the same thing with deck action. Turn this object type decrement and increment. All right, and decrement. Cool. And then we want to switch on these. So first we'll say case increment, and then we'll just say return state +1. And then case decrement will return state -1. And then let's run this. Cool. All right, guys, let's see how many more we have. Never mutate the state. Cool. So Redux store should exist and initialize with a state equal to the to-dos array. All right. So I think what we need to do is to-do arrays, turn add to-do. All right. So what I want to do here is just do a object.assign, empty object. Actually, what we're going to do is just do state.concat action.to-do, I think. There we go, cool. All right, use the spread operator. This is what I like using a little bit more. All right, make sure it should exist with a state equal to do not mutate state, add to-dos. So here we'll just say return state and action.to-do. And that should get us what we want. Awesome. And removing an item from an array. So here we will just say return state.filter, and then we'll just say value, I'll just say s. S is not equal to action.index, right? Is that what we want? I think so. Let's run this. Show remove items from the state. What are we doing? Spread upper can be used here. Other useful methods include slice and concat. Okay, so let's see. Remove item, state filter. Don't need to be state. Wait. S or S is not action index. What? Remove item immutable research with your functions. Slice. Remove item index. Just with the item with the item at the specific index removed. Okay, so we want to do what do I want to do? Sorry. Return state. I don't know why it's not letting me do filter. The index, and then we'll just say index is not equal to action.index. Alright, cool. Alright, last one is copy an object with the object of assigned. So we've already seen this quite a few times. And again, this is pretty straightforward. Let's clean that up a little bit. And then we'll just do object.assign, our target, our source, and what I want to do here is basically just update status to online, and I think that's about it, right? Alright, cool guys. So we just finished our Redux challenges. Hope you guys enjoyed that. If you have any questions, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments. And again, I go through these pretty quickly. I mean, everyone here can read, I think, that's watching the video. So if you have any questions about it, feel free to just let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.